How to use Snapchat Map Layer Hidden Trick. Now there are not much hidden features in Snapchat Maps, but there are a few of these features that you can use in Snapchat to view a lot of things. So all you have to do is first of all open this maps or this pin location located on the bottom left. Now from here you should be able to access these maps, and you can find more features simply by tapping on your Bitmoji located on this right hand side, and also enable this go and also make sure to disable this ghost mode. Now once you disable this, you should be able to find these options called memories, footsteps, and visited and popular as well, and you can find a lot of options over here. Simply tap on this memories option, from where you can find all your memories or the places that you've been to, and you can simply tap on these footsteps to see how many footsteps or how long or how many places have you previously been to. And these are some of the few features you can use over here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.